Welcome everybody to another video. It's your boy Crypto Weapon, and we'll be looking to showcase Falcon platform. Now this platform is a cryptocurrency trading platform, and in this platform, as you can see guys, you will gain 150 ROI in just 30 days. Now this platform has been going for a strong 4 to 5 months now, non-stop, and I've obviously been enjoying the irresistible nature of this platform. It's been paying out consistently, and I blame myself for not really putting this platform out there so you guys can see and enjoy what I have enjoyed with regards to Falcon investments. Now guys, I must confess, within this platform I've invested at 250 USDT on my first cycle. There will be a video posted up on the top right hand side now, just showcasing how I got on and when I finished that cycle. And after that I've gone on to invest another 300 USDT. So I'm cruising in my second cycle. I have had absolutely no issues with regards to this platform. Withdrawals have been timely. Withdrawals are not instant. You will receive your funds about 2 hours after you do your withdrawal. And folks, this platform will pay you 150 ROI every month, and you get paid on weekends, so it's every day, all day. Now guys, I must say the interface for this platform is pretty simple. It's got a light distinct color. I mean, working your way around this platform is fine, not a problem. I wouldn't say it's the best looking platform I've seen, but it works, and to be honest, all that matters is that the platform is actually paying. Now guys, just to let you know, in terms of your visual experience, you can click on the top here and move it across to dark, and then you'll have a darker interface when it comes to this platform. And if this suits you best, you can enjoy the platform with this sort of dark visual experience. Now again guys, I can't help but say that I am a bit disappointed that I haven't been able to showcase this platform as often as I want, because it's been one of the powerhouse platforms in my docket. It's been a silent assassin, and it's been delivering day in day out, as I will expose once we jump into my account. Now just quickly guys, if you're new to this platform, all these videos that I showcase is courtesy of the Crypto Weapon channel. As you can see, we try and showcase the most popular and your most favorite videos in the DeFi space. Now guys, any support that you can provide this channel is obviously very much appreciated. We're up to 208 subscribers. If you could like, subscribe, and we'll continue to push out this content regarding these projects that are most favored in this DeFi space. Now, if you are interested in Falcon investment, there is a link at the bottom of this video in the description where you can sign up for free and you can join the platform in no more than 2 minutes. Joining is pretty simple. And with that guys, thanks a lot again for all your support. Now guys, just briefly, if you did look to sign up to this platform, you would just click sign up on the right. You would enter your username, password, confirm your password. You've got your email address. There is a 4-digit PIN that you would set up and save, agree to the terms and conditions, and create an account, and you'll be good to go from then on in. Now you do have a Telegram group and a support Telegram account, and the Telegram group is buzzing with over 500 members, so please do feel free to go look into the Telegram group. Keep yourselves up to date with what's happening within Falcon investments. As far as I'm concerned, I'm about to sign into my account now. Now guys, as you can see, the platform is pretty easy to use. I'm going to tap onto Tether because that is what I deposited on, so make sure you do tap onto the crypto coin that you've invested in to see your current balance. Now as you can see here folks, I've got 15 USDT balance in my account, and that's what I'll look to withdraw today. I've obviously invested 300. Like I said, I initially started with an investment of 250. I then received 150% of that in profit, and that meant that I received 125 in profit. I then came again and did a second cycle and invested 300 USDT into this platform. Now guys, if you scroll down, what you can see are my withdrawals. So I've obviously withdrawn 45 USDT on the 9th. Now I do receive 15 USDT every day. I obviously didn't withdraw for some time and then withdrew 60, so that was about 4 days. Over the last weekend I didn't withdraw. So all these are my withdrawals, and that's been going on for who knows how long. So I'm very happy with this platform. It's been consistent, and I have had no issues with withdrawals. And as a matter of fact, let's do a withdrawal now. So I'll click on withdraw. It'll take me over here. Remember, I will click the crypto coin that I would like to withdraw with. I have 15 USDT in the account. Now remember guys, the minimum is 15 USDT. So that's why I deposited 300, because I knew I could withdraw every day. The first time around I deposited 250, and all I could withdraw was all I would receive in investment was 12 USDT 50, and therefore I was not able to withdraw every day. So I obviously changed that and deposited 300 this time. Now, so all you need to do is key in your PIN number, and once you've done that, you would just click withdraw, and your application has been sent for processing. So that's all good to go. I've had no issues with my withdrawal. You'll see this, and in no longer than 2 to 3 hours your withdrawal will be received. Now folks, to be clear on my package, I can simply go to deposits. So this is in effect my current package. I have got 300 USDT that I invested in this one. I've been going for 21 days. It's been active, so I should receive 450 at the end of the 21 days. So obviously guys, I am all clear. I am not using any of my funds at the moment. I am simply using risk capital. So everything that I'm gaining here on in is profit, and it has been that way for a while now. So that's fantastic. Once these 21 days are over, I will go back into this platform again, simply because of the results that it's been achieving. And this platform, I must say guys, has been a powerhouse. I know a lot of people have slept on this platform, are very tentative. They've preferred Copy AI over this one, but this one's been running just as long, and it's been delivering, to be honest, even better than Copy AI has. Now, the glory of this platform and why I like it is in your returns, you will be receiving your capital as well. Whereas on other competitive platforms like Copy AI that I'm in, you would put in your deposit and you'd have to wait after the 30 days to receive your deposit back. Whereas here, I am receiving chunks of my capital every day, and therefore my position in this platform is reducing every day. So the risk factor is reduced, and I tend to favor platforms where I'm receiving my capital as opposed to having my capital held within the platform until a certain date, be it 25 days or 30 days, and then they give you back your capital. Okay, please do your due diligence. Look at the platform, take your time, analyze before you invest. Take advantage of platforms that meet your criteria, stick to your criteria. Do not bend or break your rules when you're in the DeFi space. Make sure you diversify as a matter of certainty, and after that, it's all in the hands of the DeFi space. Whether you stay with it, whether you survive, whether you grow your account, or whether your account is affected by the nature of this space. As far as I'm concerned, Falcon has been a stonewall for me and has kept my crypto account balance thriving in and around times when other platforms and other devs have chosen to rug in various platforms. So guys, this one, I am loving this one. I'll try and make more videos with regards to this one, updating you on my journey and keeping you in the loop of how this platform is performing. And on that note, guys, thank you for your support. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.